Hey friends, if you are an aspiring data scientist or data analyst, even if you are a master or PhD student and you want to use visualization in your project or in your work, then Matplotlib can be a potential solution to that problem. So in this video series, you will learn all about Matplotlib, how to show simple graph, then move to advanced graph, show images, show multiple images in a single graph, and much more. Before we move forward, I would like to show you that Matplotlib has a great section for tutorials and you can learn almost everything about Matplotlib. So please check out their official tutorial section. The code used in this video is available on my GitHub and the link for it is in the description of this video. Let's get started and let's the visualization get done. If you like my work, please consider subscribing to my channel. It helps. Peace.